A cordless vacuum proves to be an invaluable addition to any household cleaning arsenal. Its unrestricted mobility, unbound by the need to stay within the range of an outlet, allows for effortless cleaning of small and hard-to-reach areas, both inside the home and in tighter spaces like car interiors. No more worrying about tangled power cords that disrupt your cleaning session when they get snagged on furniture. Although cordless vacuums have made significant progress in extending overall battery life, they still cannot offer the worry-free indefinite runtime of corded vacuums. Nevertheless, for many people, the trade-off is well worth it, given the near-infinite range these appliances provide. We have compiled a list of the top 5 cordless vacuums, along with their key features, to assist you in finding the one that suits your needs best. You can find all the links for the best prices of the mentioned products in the description box below. So let's dive right in. Number 5. Miele Triflex HX1. If you're shopping in the upper mid-range price point, the Miele Triflex HX1 stands out as an excellent choice. This cordless vacuum boasts a unique design, offering the versatility of a stick upright or handheld vacuum. Its adaptability allows you to swiftly tackle various cleaning situations with ease. Moreover, the Triflex HX1 feels robust thanks to its high-grade plastic body. However, it's worth noting that the dirt compartment in this vacuum is comparatively smaller than that of the Dyson V11 Detect. Additionally, the Triflex HX1's battery life is limited to a little over 30 minutes, which might not suffice for extended cleaning sessions. If you're seeking an alternative in the same price range with better battery performance, consider the Dyson V12 Detect Slim. Despite having a smaller dustbin capacity, its performance on bare surfaces is exceptional, effortlessly clearing away debris from carpeted floors without getting stuck in plush rugs. The V12 Detect Slim features a surface detection system that automatically adjusts to the type of surface you're cleaning and can even stop the brush roll if it becomes entangled in something. Number 4. Dyson V11 Animal. If you've ever experienced the performance of a Dyson vacuum or any of their products, it won't come as a surprise that the Dyson V11 Animal has emerged as the top contender in the stick vacuum category. This powerhouse handled everything we threw at it with ease. From high and low pile area rugs to carpets, vinyl tile, and hardwood floors, it demonstrated outstanding performance. The V11 Animal's swivel head and lightweight body, tipping the scales at 6.68 pounds, made maneuvering around the room a breeze. The swivel head was especially impressive on carpets and area rugs, leaving no animal fur, dirt, or dust behind. In fact, it sucked up so much debris from our living room rug that we were both impressed and a bit embarrassed by the results. The vacuum offers 3 modes: Boost, Auto, and Eco, which can be easily cycled through using the button on the LED screen. The default Auto mode was more than sufficient for most of our needs, while the Boost mode proved helpful in handling stubborn dirt and heavier debris on plush carpeting. The LED screen also displays a battery monitor, giving a rough estimate of the remaining battery life. Although the V11 Animal theoretically provides 60 minutes of continuous runtime on a full charge, in practical usage, it ranged from 30 to 45 minutes on Auto or Boost, with Boost consuming more battery power. The V11 Animal boasts a generously sized 0.2-gallon, 0.76-liter dustbin, making it one of the bulkier cordless sticks we tested. However, the benefit of having to empty it less frequently outweighs the minor inconvenience of its size. In addition to the primary high-torque cleaning head, the Dyson V11 comes with 4 additional attachments: a combination tool, dirt brush, crevice tool, and mini motorized tool. While not revolutionary, these attachments serve their specific purposes effectively. The main brush head can be swapped out for each attachment, or you can remove the wand entirely to use the V11 Animal as a handheld vacuum. Though a bit bulky and heavy in this mode, we found it convenient for vacuuming couches, cat towers, and cars. There were only 2 minor aspects we didn't particularly love about the Dyson V11 Animal. Firstly, the power button operates on a trigger mechanism, requiring continuous pressure while vacuuming. It would have been more preferable to have a simple on/off switch. On the positive side, the trigger mechanism allows for quick shutdown when needed. Secondly, like most of the cordless sticks we tested, it doesn't stand on its own. So if you don't return it to its dock immediately after use, you need to carefully lean it against the wall or lay it down on the floor. Overall, the Dyson V11 Animal undoubtedly impressed us with its powerful performance, versatile attachments, and convenient design, despite these minor quirks. 3. Black & Decker Powerseries Extreme. If you adore your furry companion but dislike the constant hair they shed around your home, this cordless vacuum is the perfect solution for you. Designed to handle fur, kibble messes, and other paw prints, this model boasts a unique brush bar that prevents hair from becoming trapped and tangled in the bristles, allowing for longer and more efficient cleaning sessions. With 3 speed settings, this versatile vacuum is suitable for hardwood floors, carpets, and rugs. Its V-shaped bristle pattern effortlessly picks up particles in a single pass, even in hard-to-reach areas. Moreover, the vacuum's flexible design enables it to lay flat and features an LED floor head, providing visibility under furniture for a thorough clean. In addition to its regular vacuuming mode, this device can transform into a handheld vacuum, making it easy to tackle corners, stairs, pet beds, and other challenging spots with the extra-long crevice tool. Say goodbye to pet hair woes with this exceptional cordless vacuum. Number 2. Shark Stratos Cordless Eyes 862H. The latest line of vacuum cleaners from one of the most esteemed cordless vacuum brands. In our review, we explored the cordless model, but the new technology is also available in both corded and upright versions. The Shark Stratos Cordless with CleanSense IQ is 862H is available in the US, while the UK market offers the Shark Stratos Anti-Hair Wrap Plus Cordless Vacuum with 1 battery eyes 400 UK. Our impressions of this vacuum were beyond impressive. Its standout feature is the CleanSense IQ technology, allowing it to intelligently detect the amount of dirt on the floor and automatically adjust the suction power accordingly, boasting a potential 50% increase in dirt pickup. Furthermore, the built-in anti-odor technology in the floor head ensures that unpleasant smells are kept at bay. For households with both long and short-haired residents, the anti-hair wrap brush bar proves to be a lifesaver, preventing tangles and clogs. Additionally, the flexible wand enables easy cleaning under couches and sofas, reaching areas that were once challenging to vacuum. While the Shark Stratos performed exceptionally in most aspects, we did find that it struggled to access narrow spaces. However, the inclusion of crevice and multi-surface tools addresses this limitation effectively. Overall, the Shark Stratos is a remarkable vacuum cleaner that excels in technology and versatility, making it a top choice for many households. Number 1. Tineco PURE ONE S11. The Tineco PURE ONE S11 presents an excellent option for those seeking affordability without compromising on versatility. Unlike many vacuums in its price range, it boasts a built-in dirt sensor that automatically boosts suction power when cleaning areas with abundant debris, a rare feature at this price point. Additionally, its onboard HEPA filter effectively seals in allergens, another impressive inclusion for its cost. The vacuum performs exceptionally well on bare floors, but it may struggle a bit with embedded debris in low-pile carpeting. While its affordable price is attractive, the build quality feels less sturdy compared to the Miele Triflex HX1. If you're looking for a mid-priced cordless vacuum that handles carpeted floors better, the Samsung Jet 16 serves as a fantastic alternative. Though it lacks the Tineco's self-adjusting suction power, it excels in managing debris on carpeted surfaces. However, it may not perform as admirably on bare floors in comparison. And that concludes our compilation of the finest cordless vacuums. We hope you found the video informative and enjoyable. If it was helpful to you, we'd be grateful if you could leave a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us. Feel free to share your chosen cordless vacuum in the comments below. Thanks for watching.